Good day, friends. I'm here today to briefly discuss on GCC and 3D printing technology. I'm Ogunlele Moses Temidayo, the Nigeria GCC leader. Now, let me start from what is GCC and how the GCC got started. Global cryptocurrency coin was launched in September 2015. The company operates a multi-level marketing cryptocurrency niche, and it's headed up by the CEO and founder, Pasboel. The GCC coin is an innovative and unique generation of cryptocurrency. You just choose one of selected 3D product pack and start your 3D printing adventures. GCC is the first cryptocurrency based on network market that have introduced global 3D printing concepts to share the most prospective industrial sector turnover with you. This is probably the best business opportunity of this decade. GCC cryptocurrency is the revolution in financial world. You can use this to pay, transfer, exchange using your smartphone or personal computer. It is already acceptable worldwide as a payment method. The GCC coin is the first cryptocurrency. It's reliable, it's cheap, it's secure, it's fast. You could even pay for a cup of coffee. It generates transaction fee. GCC is here for you, my brother. GCC enables you to earn a substantial income because the company's mission is to change the way people produce and pay for goods and services around the world. With 3D printing global network concepts supported by the GCC coin global cryptocurrency, GCC brings people a revolution in manufacturing and financial world. Now, the CEO is extending the greatest opportunity to Nigeria. On September 8th, the CEO will be at Adolak Hotel Osogbo, Osun State, Nigeria, for official launching of the company. You just attend the event, learn about 3D printing technology. On the day, we will have a 3D live demonstration about 3D, how it prints anything you can imagine in a wide range of materials available on market. Before then, if you want to be a leader of your state, inbox me. I will tell you how to get started. See you on the day. Thank you.